Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do keyword research for your website. So in this video I'm going to show you keyword research into 3 steps. The first step is to find keywords ideas, and the second step is to find the keywords information like SEO difficulty, CPC, search volume, and much more. And the third step, which is very important, um, where I'm gonna show you some tips that will help you to create better keyword. Okay, let's go. So first of all, we're going to a website which is called keywordtool.io. Basically it's a keyword research tool, but we're gonna use it as a keywords for keyword ideas, uh, which is steps 1. So first of all, we're gonna type a keyword. For example, I'm gonna search gaming console, gaming console, and we're gonna search it. So wait a little bit. As you can see, they are giving me lots of keywords ideas. You can see that they are already giving me 383 unique keywords. That's great. That's a lot of keywords. So I'm gonna select some of the keyword that is relevant to gaming console. So for example, gaming console list, um, for kids, gaming console Android app. Okay, so I just selected 4 keyword, and now I'm gonna move to the second step, which is finding the keywords information. So to do this, I'm going to the second website, which is called hsupertools.com. It's a digital marketing. It's a website where you can find lots of digital marketing tools. But basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this website's keyword research tool. So just scroll down, and as you can see, there is a keyword research tool. Just click on it, and here you have to paste the selected keywords that were selected in keywordtools.io. So I'm going to that website and select this keyword, and what I'm gonna do is paste it here to get information about that keyword, about this keyword. Just wait a little bit, scroll down. As you can see, keyword monthly search volume is 28, and the SEO difficulty is actually SEO difficulty means the keyword difficulty is low, but I'm not gonna use this keyword because it's very low monthly search volume. So I'm gonna select I'm gonna try another keyword. Just scroll down. So I'm gonna select gaming console for kids, just copy it, and just paste it here. Just go here, scroll down. As you can see, this keyword also low. Just scroll down. As you can see that this keyword difficulty is also low, but this keyword's monthly search volume is high. So I'm gonna use this keyword, gaming console for kids. So it's time to move to our third step, which is make the keyword better. So the question is how to make this keyword better. So as a beginner you have to use long tail keyword, and you have to capital all the words first alphabet. So capital the console and kids. So I'm gonna capital it and kids. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.